we na minja because of umreninti. Cathedral dear no. Mushishe na nkofo biasika edisika na say we ye fanfare one of the usual like baby yenchi will be antu.
Nenia the akotoja in the report me say sika bi we wo ha yentumi mu hu konta. So say sa report e Cathedral secretary nankasa na commission enya aban. Into mo mandate no so yeketu abi. Until they have found say sika bi wo ha wo kan bo mu ansie ni for instance wo hwe contract on the man David Ajayi as architect say on design Cathedral na aban say and Cathedral say omutia David Ajayi 130 million Ghana cedis. David Ajayi so abra audit say nkasa ya audit nkata abaye no ono so kire say sika 170 million any tia no. If there's a difference of about 4.9 million na
honorable Mbacho manti hono say what's say
me say Cathedral say answer na ebe sha say David Ajayi ono draw Cathedral no ye design.
Okay.
By architect.
Yeah.
Aban say na Cathedral secretariat in 24 say omutia no 113 million so ni say adwuma no.
Okay.
Auditors no so any David Ajayi dey nkomo no. Ono so say there be 117.9 million na aban the man no. And Cathedral 24 the man no.
Hey.
There's a difference of 4.9 million Ghana cedis. But once the audit way no, the scope is limited. Into auditors no, omen will say sika no. No mo to me say wow, me no work say na e be di one as e be me ho. The only way you can find out is a forensic audit. And no na bet say okay, it is 4 million na fa hi. If the account be na mo di tia kwan be na mo fa so tia na say mo dey go bag mo come obi di command na nipa no koda na ibi nkwanta na say that will emerge when there's a forensic audit. But you see, it has been established. Then Kuntabuni is CNE. Even the cost of the project. Cathedral, they say, project, no, never $261 million.
Okay.
Contractor. How many contractor and signing here? No. And also says the project is $268 million.
Hey, 260 sign.
What are buying? Omanpeni akufo da so yeso a omoso kire say tika omuni mi say ne bo no som no $281 million. Wow. And now say contractor no but the abunifa no interim payment certificate e call say finance minister entia na kanode ne kabi omoso say contract no $282 million. There are 4 different contract sums. I me no ka say no yentumi hu which one is the actual contract sum.
Wow.
And also, Edan Chenya. I be told just say, Reverend Gusi Boateng say, "Wabo $2.6 million." Na omukwa ho chire bi mu. E ma me no ka say Cathedral na say ometia neka. Na mo nkrata sem bi eni ho. Contract bi eni ho. Ehihye bi eni ho a edi adanse say saa nkomodie na na say die no ekoso. Enti wa me no ka say we adwuma wo nhyira yesem. Enti the Akobani said, "Who say when you ska into Cathedral FM? More call assignment. I'm only Petra. Wo bebo edumeku ne bosia. No me nyom de amo. Meanwhile, edumeku sabi impedi as sabi enya pempemu store. Class masi. Into the other end say, for there will be an agreement. Say osimesi ana bente boy e bosia. Onyin si hu na emu no. Ye hwe say acha na be ye bia se chi no. Se e bi misika ma no. There's nothing like that governs that arrangement.
Wow, that's interesting.
What's the report to the one? Omoka said there are 15 separate breaches of the Public Procurement Act. In Shema, Cathedral and 24 by so Attorney General and say Omich Mianesa. Meanwhile, no, Ghana ha a basic BI a fadi edume BNSF procurement process. In some only the baby. But tell me, you know. So we be pa why you bonena. I was there yet forensic audit. The reason is say ebi abeka say wakoto car 10 cedis gabriel insurance. Who get a receipt? I say 10 cedis. Now mo auditors no e call. Debi akoto car. So debi. Omo ma receipt bi etesa. Na omo de omo books mo no. Visit om de man no 80 pesos. Enye 10 cedis. Which means say a year 9 cedis 20 pesos be yadane ne nkwanta. They will look for baby as 9 cedis 20 pesos. If I be ana baby akwato car no only obi aye kana na wo and one ma receipt for floor. Right. And I will watch 9 cedis 20 pesos on na check. But on paper no what they want to do receipt about a say and then can no. So that is the work of forensic auditors.
Interesting.
Anything about say yeah forensic now Ghana it is the Attorney General, Auditor General. And on one say sike bia ya ban the man or ye mu audit. The Auditor General can decide say they will appoint forensic auditors. They can even appoint Deloitte for the forensic audit, which would go deeper than the Deloitte for the abasis here. And this ana Cathedral no mo here.
Media them person metia ne say based on the okeka yes so more forensic but kakre ya wake say ekobase that's conditional say ekobase ye behwehwem na enkoya mo bechi wo bi age sika ama no efise mo se asofo na ewo mu ninti no ase musuro mo fere wo
and you this adwuma me boa
yeah
me sire wo say atwesie no yo sofo ana
banani mu nyedu sa
I said program I could be a crowd here, or tongues, papa program, so interview or bompire tongues, pa. Make us a the fiasco.
Yeah.
Say, as I'm like, I saw also for we then said it.
There was so for you, Honswa, Mensa Utabel, Mu Pastor Mana, Umonso, and which you could same nearby, you know, as a non and said the Unsumus.
I bind be as a moment to be a yano. Okay. On my pretty mamma, the Wakata said, we need me a cry. Na wo from Ghana mra enya de obi charge waka nti sabi yen mo osofo bi antenene yen ka senti osofo bia baby a mra ne da no ene de beto ta pepe
enkoye se yen ka no fi asem
o de fi asem di eniko de be se sika sam no Ghana sika na enye fi asem ana me boa me no sika e de gu futu mu no se yen ka ni fi.
But I am wondering kakra say ye dikam ye ka say yemfa aban sika bia nkohyem nemum seed fund and na ye de be hye so I am thinking why sa sika we nyina afri ye coffers mu no enye problem
no cry another issue. See, there is another angle. It means that finance minister did not seek parliamentary approval. Sikano oyefi contingency vote na ye Tekebia, ye chat to say, ye do no musu atwen ope. So that here. Ye budget here. If I say, won't to me who that into ye ka to. Say atoyen chembe to yen. Na ye try who in chat. Ye tu ni aye hu bia ye tumi yi e de aso ano. Eho ataka do furata ko yi sense kan fi. Task can answer now don't have a canon. I also would to me if you parliament. One yes, sir. It's a local amra.
Anyway, I'm sure say forensic audit in a bar, even who need and away no forensic audit in
I was something to say, especially MPG phobia, meaning this report you could have read a single page. As woman of Momoka, who bonny yebia, and his woman pass off for choke. A democracy and papa and I'll for the choke. But they have not read the report. It's only and number 2. A bit day a year audited financial statements. No, no, assign will be tea. Mr. Yeah, auditor. What was it? Israel Companies Act. Let's say, Afidiano, or somebody audited financial statement, register of companies, a routine regulatory procedure. Into auditors, no, we see say, financial statements, no, maybe our expenditure to say, revenue to say, equity position to say. Profit and loss account why you leave. Into there are no misstatements. Just say profit here 20 cities. I won't trade 10 cities. You cannot measure. Now, behind the figures, they will go and see say expenditure now work no. If I'm not so, look at the bem obi any sikabi. Into they will write their friend management letter. And no one make stress and some of their bros. Masa, your question our accounts mono. Top any or how well any intentional 2-1 among your master recommendations. Star management letter no before they write it no on the MYF because they will do what they call audit queries. Say, oh, your smart talk at 10 cities no. What say a 10 cedis receipt by your core company almost say 80 pesos almost on mile. It's 9.2 now fine. Now I tell you when na say which then who answer, they will analyze your answer, and then in the manual letter they will give recommendations by stating their position. They will state it.
Yeah.
Even if you Manchester National Cathedral and Penny for I think Saturday and for issue statement. Me a press conference, I ignored their responses. Many of them, me just a report no 1 second. Management can 1 second.
Yeah.
Every single response on the buyer, the auditors also responded and showed the set and classroom in the report. But their responses no na classroom. For instance, you discover David Ajayi 113 payments in Yabahono. On response, they say David Ajayi has confirmed say Yetiano 113 million Ghana cedis. Meanwhile, the auditors show with documents from David Ajayi, office of the president, to say David Ajayi say 117 million. Cathedral Fund did not present any document that should say 113 million, and I say any confirmation if David Ajayi. So they state in the report say the Cathedral Secretary did not provide any evidence to back the claim say 113. No, David Ajayi has brought evidence say 117 million. So the fact that you have responded does not mean say they are working here. Okay, what am I saying? It will be say we ignored your responses, and your responses were not adequate. They didn't answer the questions. That is all.
Right.